Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this beaded bracelet. You will need 2 beaded beads of 3 mm in color, a beaded ring and a tail button. 0.15 mm wire, 0.7 beads and a beaded ring. Pull the wire to the end of the bead and tie a knot. Pass 3 beads through, add 5 beads. Put 3 purple beads in the middle. Pass the 3rd silver bead through. Pass the 1st purple bead through, add 5 beads. Pass the 3rd purple bead through. Pass the 1st purple bead through. Repeat the process until you get the desired length. Finally, add 5 silver beads. Pass the 2nd bead through. Add 4 beads and a tail button. Pass the 3rd bead through. Add 4 beads and a tail button. Find a place to tie a knot and cut off the tail. Do this a few more times in different places. Connect the tail button and you're done.